We often have people show up seeking representation for personal injuries that they have suffered as a result of a collision with a motor vehicle when they were in the act of being a pedestrian. In many occasions, we see people having done damage already to their claims before they really get started by their own actions without knowing it. It's essential to take some steps to make sure your claims are preserved. First, we often see people who fail to report their incidents and have a police report made. It's very important to have a police report made to document what occurred, when it occurred, where it occurred, and who was involved. We will later need that information when we're trying to locate witnesses and when we are trying to locate the at-fault driver who caused the incident. All of that information is preserved on the police report, but if you don't have that done, you open yourself up to having a defendant driver who claims this never occurred. Don't give that opportunity to the defense. Next, we often see people who wait way too long to go seek medical treatment, and this is detrimental to your case at times. As soon as you begin feeling pain and discomfort, go seek medical attention. If you're having pain in your neck, back, or other area at the scene, go ahead and go to the emergency room and get checked out. If your pain doesn't start until the next day, go ahead and go to the ER and get checked out. Oftentimes, what starts as minor pain will increase to major pain over the coming days, and it's important to have that documented as soon as possible to correlate it back to the incident. If you wait multiple weeks to go seek treatment, insurance companies will try to imply that you are creating a claim because you waited so long to go get attention. In other words, if you had really been hurt, you would have gone and gotten medical treatment a lot sooner. Don't give them that argument. Go ahead and seek treatment. Another thing we see people do often is fail to follow through on the treatment that they're prescribed by their treating doctors. Once the doctors tell you what you need to do, always abide by it. Don't let gaps occur in your treatment where you have time pass where you're not getting any treatment at all. It's important to make sure there are no gaps because, again, insurance companies will use that to try to diminish the value of your claim by claiming that if you were really in the pain that you say you're in, you would have gotten all of your treatment. Another thing we'll see people often do is tell their doctors they are better when they're actually not. They will do that for a multitude of reasons, generally because it's such an inconvenience for them to have to go get regular medical treatment and take time off of work or away from their families or try to find transportation to get to the treatment. Don't do that because at the time you tell the doctors that you are all better, your claim is pretty much going to be extinguished. And if you later have pain, which you haven't documented, it's really hard to get that included in your claim. Finally, always make sure you immediately find a personal injury attorney who can help document your claim and preserve all evidence. It is essential to find an attorney who's experienced handling these types of claims that knows what to do. If you hire the wrong attorney, evidence will be lost and your claim can be lost with it. Make sure you hire an experienced attorney who can walk you through this process. If you've been injured and you need assistance, please give me a call. We are here to help.